In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva presentation to a PowerPoint file. Let's dive right in and get you started on this simple yet crucial process. First things first, head over to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. This is essential because your work is tied to your account, allowing you to access your projects from any device as long as you're logged in. Once you're logged in, locate the Projects tab on your Canva dashboard. Click on it, and you should see a list of all your ongoing and completed designs. Navigate through your projects and open the presentation design you wish to convert and save as a PowerPoint file. This will open the presentation in the Canva editor where you can make any final tweaks or touches if needed before downloading. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the editor. You should see a button labeled Share. Click on this button. A menu will appear offering several options. What we are looking for here is the download option. Click on it. This action opens another set of options primarily centered around file types and download preferences. At this point, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled File Type. Click on this drop-down menu to view the various export options available. From this list, you'll want to select Microsoft PowerPoint BTX. This will ensure that your design maintains its formatting and is fully functional in PowerPoint. In some cases, you might only need to export specific slides from your presentation rather than the entire deck. Canva makes this easy. Right below the file type option, you'll see an option called Select Pages. Click this, and a list of your presentation slides will appear. Simply choose the specific slides you need by clicking on them. This can be especially useful if you're working with a large presentation and only need to share or use certain parts of it. Once you've selected your desired file type and the pages you want to export, direct your attention to the next big action, which is simply hitting that purple download button. Clicking this will initiate the download process, converting your Canva presentation into a PowerPoint file and saving it to your device. With these steps, you now have your Canva presentation safely saved as a PowerPoint file, ready for your next meeting, presentation, or class. And there you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive guide to exporting your work from Canva to PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your presentations.